Heat oil in a pot on medium heat. Add onions to the oil. Stir-fry the onions till dark brown. Add black cardamom, cloves, cinnamon stick and bay leaf and fry a little. Add the peas and fry a little. Add 1 cup of water. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cover and leave to cook till peas are tender. Add green chilies, you may skip them if desired. Add 2 cups of water. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Cover and bring to a boil. Add the rice. Mix well. Let boil till rice are tender and the water starts to dry. Sprinkle cumin seeds. Cover and let cook till the rice are tender. Check the rice is tender. Let the water dry. Enjoy with a delicious raita. Links are in the suggestion at the top right corner.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel. Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.